Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lutcher, local and long-distance movers near me. Being the oldest moving firm, we have expertise in handling long-distance moving shifts. And also, we have a good working relationship with a local federal association. So they have provided us with legal permits and licenses to conduct a long-distance or international shift without further formalities. This helps us save time and allows you to have time to explore your new location. Plus, we provide insurance on products that have been shifted through us. In any case of wear and tear, the damage will be borne by us without any extra charges or hidden fees. Our team of movers will provide work towards the client's satisfaction, so we make sure to complete shifting within a period and the most affordable choice. When moving locally, make sure you pick qualified movers like 3 Movers. As we provide same-day shifting for local moves, it is time-saving and can do enough to save you time to explore your location. Local moving isn't as easy as it sounds. Don't fool yourself by carrying the complicated tasks of moving all by your own. We have the best teams in the business to guide you through the process of relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lutcher moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.